Right now, I'm learning to love myself more and more. In fact, I didn't know I used to treat myself badly for a long time. And in one stressful day, like any other days, I suddenly recognized that this person, is so much lonely and a poor girl. I don't talk about money, but I'm talking about love and care. I feel so guilty to myself that I forget to take care and observe and think for myself for such a long time. My friends, are you the same? And do you love yourself? If you don't know the answer, I'll list out some of the feelings in order that you can find it. When we don't love ourselves, we have more negative feelings and self-focused emotions. For example, we may feel inadequate, shame, angry, driven to prove ourselves to others, lonely, guilty, rejected. We might also feel addicted to things that make us feel better in a short term, but hurt us in the long term. For example, we might use alcohol, drugs, sex, food, shopping, or workaholism to reduce our negative emotions and boost positive emotions. Or, even worse, our emotion depend totally to someone like our beloved, friends, husband, wife, kids. When they do or say some things would make us happy, we are happy. When they are angry or irritated with us, we are sad. Well, you might say it's normal. But in fact, it is all about that you let others control your emotion and that you don't love yourself. When we love ourselves, we have an appreciation for our own worth or value. We don't need affirmation from others, and we don't need them to tell us that we are good enough, smart enough, attractive enough. We know it by ourselves. As a result, we have positive views about ourselves and feel good about who we are most of the time. We also tend to have higher levels of self-worth, self-esteem, and self-confidence. Loving yourself is super important for well-being. A positive view of the self was the thing most related to happiness. That means the more positive self-views you have, or the more you love yourself, the higher your happiness is likely to be. If you don't love yourself, you might be more critical of yourself. You might engage in behaviors like negative self-talk. For example, I'm worthless. I could never succeed at this. Or I'm not smart enough. Hey, these thought patterns can generate feelings or anxiety, sadness, or hopelessness. There may be many other experiences that go along with low levels of self-love. Here are some of the words they used. You be shy or quiet. You be insecure. You be negative. You be unhappy. Or you get angry easily. You will be unmotivated. You be depressed. You will dependent or follower. Or you be poor self-image person and lack self-confidence. As you can see, when we have a difficult time loving ourselves, this spills into other areas of our lives and can make it difficult to achieve our goals and build really healthy relationships around you. So, in order to avoid these bad situations, just do one simple thing. Love yourself more than other people do to you. Don't expect any other people do it for you. You should do it. You should love yourself first.